Drowning in data but not getting real insights? That's where AWS Data and Analytics comes in. In 2025, Amazon Web Services gives businesses powerful tools like Redshift, Athena, Blue, and QuickSight to collect, process, and visualize massive amounts of data. You can track users, sales, logs, and performance in real time, all in one cloud ecosystem built for scale and speed. But here's the honest part. AWS Analytics is powerful, but it's not simple. Setup takes skill. Costs can grow fast, and small teams without data engineers may feel overwhelmed. It shines for growing companies, but beginners might struggle at first. So the real question is, do you need enterprise level power or easy insights? Like, subscribe, and comment what platform you want review next.